9 delicious and healthy snacks every diabetic should be eating. Snacking doesn't have to be bad for your blood sugar if you choose the right foods. Are your snacks helping or hurting your diabetes management? You might be surprised by the answer. In this video, we'll reveal 9 delicious and healthy snacks that will keep your blood sugar stable while satisfying your cravings. Let's dive in. The right snacks can help prevent blood sugar crashes and keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. But many people make the mistake of reaching for processed snacks loaded with sugar and refined carbs, which can cause dangerous spikes and crashes. The good news? You don't have to give up snacking altogether. In fact, the right choices can support your diabetes management while keeping your cravings in check. Let's dive into 9 diabetic-friendly snacks that are not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty. Number 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is one of the best snack options for diabetics because it's high in protein, which helps slow digestion and keeps blood sugar stable. The creamy texture makes it satisfying, and when paired with fiber-rich berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, it becomes a powerhouse snack. These berries contain antioxidants and natural compounds that support insulin function, reduce inflammation, and may even help improve heart health. Unlike flavored yogurts that are packed with added sugars, plain Greek yogurt ensures you're not consuming hidden carbs that could spike your blood sugar. Many store-bought yogurts marketed as healthy or low-fat are actually loaded with artificial sweeteners or high amounts of sugar, which can do more harm than good. Choosing full-fat or low-fat unsweetened Greek yogurt provides a rich source of calcium, probiotics for gut health, and essential vitamins that support overall wellness. You can enhance the flavor by adding a sprinkle of cinnamon, which has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels naturally. Cinnamon not only adds warmth and depth to the taste, but also contains compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. For extra crunch and healthy fats, consider tossing in a few chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts, which further slow digestion and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. This snack is perfect any time of the day, whether you need a quick breakfast, a midday pick-me-up, or even a dessert alternative. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy nutrients makes it a great choice for long-lasting energy, better digestion, and stable blood sugar levels. Plus, it's easy to prepare. Just mix everything in a bowl, and you have a delicious, satisfying, and diabetes-friendly snack ready to go. Number 2. Hummus with veggies. Hummus is an incredibly nutritious and satisfying snack that's perfect for diabetics. Made from blended chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice, hummus is packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fats, all of which help stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike carb-heavy snacks that cause spikes and crashes, hummus provides a slow-releasing energy source that keeps you full longer. Pairing hummus with fresh, fiber-rich veggies like cucumber, bell peppers, carrots, or celery makes it even better. These vegetables are low in carbs and high in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them the perfect complement to hummus. The fiber in both the hummus and the veggies slows down digestion and helps prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Another reason hummus is great for diabetics is its healthy fat content. The olive oil in hummus contains monounsaturated fats that support heart health and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, chickpeas themselves have been shown to help regulate blood sugar and improve overall metabolic health. When choosing hummus, it's best to go for homemade or carefully checked store-bought options. Many prepackaged hummus brands contain added sugars, preservatives, and unnecessary fillers that can negatively impact blood sugar control. Making hummus at home is simple. Just blend chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic until smooth. You can even customize it with flavors like roasted red peppers or spices for extra variety. This snack is perfect for a midday energy boost or even a light meal. It's easy to pack, delicious, and full of nutrients that support stable blood sugar levels. Whether you're dipping crunchy veggies or spreading hummus on a low-carb wrap, this diabetes-friendly snack is a great way to stay full and satisfied while keeping your health on track. Number 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are some of the best snacks for managing diabetes. They are packed with a powerful combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which work together to slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes, making them a great choice for blood sugar control. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are particularly beneficial for diabetics. Almonds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in improving insulin sensitivity. Walnuts contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health, a major concern for diabetics. Chia seeds are a fiber powerhouse, absorbing liquid to form a gel-like consistency in the stomach, which helps slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. One of the biggest advantages of nuts and seeds is their ability to curb hunger and keep you feeling full for longer. Unlike high-carb snacks that leave you craving more food soon after eating, nuts provide long-lasting energy without causing a sharp rise in blood sugar. This makes them a great option for an afternoon pick-me-up or a quick snack on the go. However, portion control is important. Nuts are calorie-dense, and while they are incredibly healthy, eating too much can lead to excess calorie intake. Stick to a small handful, about 1 ounce or a quarter cup, to get the benefits without overdoing it. For variety, try mixing different nuts and seeds together to create a nutritious trail mix. You can also sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or make a chia pudding for an easy, diabetes-friendly snack. When choosing nuts, go for raw or dry roasted options without added sugars, salt, or unhealthy oils. Many flavored nuts contain hidden sugars and processed ingredients that can work against your blood sugar goals. With their perfect balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, nuts and seeds are an easy, delicious, and convenient snack that will help you manage diabetes while keeping your cravings in check. Number 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a simple yet powerful snack for managing diabetes. They are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, which play a crucial role in keeping blood sugar levels steady and preventing hunger spikes. Unlike carb-heavy snacks that cause a rapid rise in blood sugar, eggs provide long-lasting energy without causing fluctuations. One of the biggest benefits of hard-boiled eggs is their ability to curb cravings. The protein in eggs slows down digestion and increases feelings of fullness, helping you avoid reaching for unhealthy, sugar-laden snacks throughout the day. This makes them an excellent choice for mid-morning or afternoon snacking. Eggs also contain essential nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and B vitamins, which support brain health, metabolism, and overall well-being. The healthy fats in eggs contribute to better cholesterol levels and heart health, an important consideration for diabetics who have a higher risk of heart disease. For added flavor without extra carbs, try sprinkling hard-boiled eggs with paprika, black pepper, or a pinch of sea salt. You can also mash them with a bit of avocado for an extra boost of healthy fats or slice them over a bed of greens for a protein-packed mini salad. Another great thing about hard-boiled eggs is their convenience. They're easy to prepare in advance, store well in the fridge, and make for a quick grab-and-go snack. Simply boil a batch at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a ready-to-eat, diabetes-friendly snack anytime you need it. With their perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, hard-boiled eggs are an ideal snack that will keep you full, satisfied, and in control of your blood sugar throughout the day. Number 5. Cottage cheese with flax seeds. Cottage cheese with flax seeds is a nutrient-dense, diabetes-friendly snack that combines high-quality protein with fiber and healthy fats. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of casein protein, which digests slowly, keeping you full for longer and preventing blood sugar spikes. Meanwhile, flax seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and improve insulin sensitivity. The fiber in flax seeds slows the absorption of carbohydrates, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. This is especially important for diabetics, as steady blood sugar levels reduce the risk of energy crashes and cravings for unhealthy snacks. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, plant compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce the risk of heart disease. Pairing cottage cheese with flax seeds creates the perfect balance of macronutrients, protein to keep you full, fiber to aid digestion, and healthy fats to promote overall well-being. This combination makes it an ideal snack for those looking to manage their blood sugar while enjoying a creamy, satisfying treat. To enhance the flavor, try adding a few blueberries for a touch of natural sweetness or a pinch of cinnamon for an extra blood sugar-friendly boost. You can also drizzle a little sugar-free vanilla extract for a delicious dessert-like twist. Another advantage of this snack is its versatility and convenience. Cottage cheese is easy to store and portion out, while flax seeds can be sprinkled on top without any extra preparation. Whether you need a quick breakfast option, a post-workout snack, or a satisfying midday bite, cottage cheese with flax seeds is a fantastic choice that will keep you full and energized while supporting your diabetes management goals. Number 6. Avocado on whole grain crackers. Avocado on whole grain crackers is a powerhouse snack that offers a perfect combination of fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients to help stabilize blood sugar levels. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, making them an excellent choice for diabetes management. Unlike high-carb snacks that lead to rapid blood sugar spikes, avocados help slow digestion and promote steady energy levels. They're also packed with fiber, which further aids in blood sugar control by slowing the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream. Just half an avocado contains around 7 grams of fiber, contributing to better digestion and prolonged satiety. Pairing avocado with whole grain crackers takes this snack to the next level. Whole grain crackers provide complex carbohydrates that digest more slowly than refined grains, preventing sudden blood sugar fluctuations. They also contain fiber, which enhances gut health and keeps you feeling full for longer. When choosing crackers, look for options made from whole grains like quinoa, flax seeds, or brown rice, and avoid those with added sugars or refined flours. To add even more flavor and health benefits, try topping your avocado toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes for metabolism-boosting spice, a squeeze of lemon juice for a fresh citrusy kick, or a pinch of sea salt for enhanced taste. You can even mash the avocado with a bit of garlic powder or black pepper for an extra layer of flavor. This snack is not only nutritious but also incredibly easy to prepare. Whether you need a quick bite between meals or a post-workout energy boost, avocado on whole grain crackers is a satisfying and diabetes-friendly choice that will keep your blood sugar stable while delivering essential nutrients for overall health. Number 7. Dark chocolate and nuts. Who says you can't enjoy chocolate while managing diabetes? The key is choosing the right kind, dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. Unlike milk chocolate, which is loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids. These compounds have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even support heart health. Pairing dark chocolate with nuts makes this an even better snack. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pecans provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which slow down sugar absorption and help prevent blood sugar spikes. The combination of dark chocolate and nuts also keeps you feeling full longer, reducing cravings for unhealthy, high-carb snacks. When choosing dark chocolate, go for varieties with minimal added sugar, preferably 85% cocoa or higher for maximum health benefits. Be mindful of portion sizes, as even dark chocolate contains some natural sugars. A good rule of thumb is to enjoy a few small squares, around 1 ounce, pair with a handful of nuts, about a quarter cup. For an extra flavor boost, try adding a sprinkle of sea salt over your chocolate and nuts, or opt for lightly roasted nuts for added crunch. You can also make your own trail mix by combining dark chocolate chunks with almonds, pumpkin seeds, and unsweetened coconut flakes for a delicious, diabetes-friendly snack that satisfies your sweet tooth without harming your blood sugar levels. Number 8. Chia pudding. Chia pudding is one of the easiest and healthiest snacks you can prepare, and it's perfect for people managing diabetes. Chia seeds are tiny but powerful. They absorb liquid to create a thick, creamy texture while delivering a big dose of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is their ability to slow digestion. The high fiber content helps prevent blood sugar spikes by allowing glucose to enter your bloodstream more gradually. Plus, the combination of fiber and healthy fats keeps you full for longer, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks. Making chia pudding is simple. Just mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with half a cup of unsweetened almond milk or another low-carb milk alternative. Stir well, then let it sit in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight for the best texture. As the seeds absorb the liquid, they expand, creating a pudding-like consistency. To add flavor without added sugar, try mixing in a dash of cinnamon, a few drops of vanilla extract, or a handful of fresh berries. You can also sprinkle crushed nuts or unsweetened coconut flakes on top for added crunch. This snack isn't just delicious, it's also highly versatile. You can prepare a batch in advance and store it in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go option. Plus, it's naturally low in carbs and packed with nutrients that support stable blood sugar levels, making it an ideal snack choice for diabetics. Number 9. Apple slices with nut butter. Apples and nut butter make for a perfect sweet and savory snack that's both delicious and diabetes-friendly. Apples are naturally rich in fiber, especially in the skin, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Meanwhile, nut butter, whether it's almond, peanut, or cashew butter, provides protein and healthy fats that further stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. The key to making this snack work for diabetes management is portion control and choosing the right ingredients. Stick to a small or medium apple and pair it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter. This ensures you get the benefits of fiber and protein without overloading on carbs. Another important tip is to opt for natural, unsweetened nut butter. Many commercial brands add sugar and unhealthy oils, which can spike blood sugar and counteract the benefits of this snack. Always check the label and choose a brand that contains just nuts and maybe a pinch of salt. For an extra health boost, sprinkle some cinnamon on top of your apple slices. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. You can also try different nut butters like walnut or sunflower seed butter to add variety and extra nutrients to your diet. This snack is easy to prepare and perfect for when you need a quick energy boost without the blood sugar crash. Plus, the combination of crunch, creaminess, and natural sweetness makes it feel like an indulgent treat while still being incredibly healthy. Key takeaways. Let's do a quick recap. We've covered 9 delicious and healthy snacks that can help you manage diabetes while keeping cravings in check. From protein-rich Greek yogurt with berries to fiber-packed chia pudding and satisfying apple slices with nut butter, these snacks are not only tasty, but also designed to keep your blood sugar stable. What makes them so effective? Each of these snacks is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, 3 key nutrients that help slow down sugar absorption, prevent blood sugar spikes, and keep you full for longer. Unlike processed snacks that cause energy crashes, these options provide steady energy throughout the day. Now it's time to take action. Start swapping out unhealthy processed snacks with these nutritious choices and see the difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in managing diabetes and feeling your best. Making small changes to your snack choices can have a big impact on your blood sugar and overall health. By choosing snacks that are high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, you can keep your energy steady and support better diabetes management. Which snack are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips and healthy eating advice. See you in the next video.